Today, I am going to show you how to build an ultimate weapon in Crimson Desert that lets you trigger multiple different powers no matter which skill button you press. You can melt bosses and speedrun the game just by building your weapon the right way. Let's start with the base weapon, Frozen Anguish. First, open your map and head to the northern side of Demonis. You are looking for the Spire of Frost, a big frozen tower in the icy region. Once you reach the tower, go up the frozen stairs toward the main door. At the entrance, you will see a stone lantern covered in ice on the left side of the door. Use a heavy hit that combines light and heavy attack together, like Turning Slash. As soon as you go inside, do not run up the stairs yet. Instead, look directly under the staircase. There is a hidden chest under the spiraling stairs. Open that chest, and you will get Frozen Anguish, a powerful two-handed sword, plus a bonus item. Part 2. Why Frozen Anguish is the best base weapon. Frozen Anguish is the perfect base for an ultimate weapon because it starts with strong base damage for early to mid-game and comes with multiple slots where you can embed Abyss gear. That means you can load several different skill gears into one sword and make a multi-element monster weapon. You can grab Frozen Anguish very early, even before finishing some nearby quests. If you also complete the Ignite All 7 Lanterns challenge in this tower, you will get additional rewards. Part 3. Witch's Workshop and Extracting Abilities. Now that you have your base weapon, the next step is to steal the abilities from your other weapons and move them into Frozen Anguish. For that, you need the Witch's Workshop, the place where you can transfer or embed Abyss gear and abilities between weapons. At the workshop, select the option that lets you extract abilities or gear from one weapon and embed them into another. You will be pulling the power from several boss weapons you already get by progressing through the main story up to around Chapter 8, and then stacking them into Frozen Anguish. You should already have beaten a bunch of storyline bosses as part of the main quest. From those fights, you can get the key gear pieces that will go into your ultimate weapon. Sword of the Lord. This is your wind/gear. It gives you strong wind-type slashes that cover good range and help control groups. Toria Curved Sword. This is your Crow Pursuit gear. It gives fast, aggressive chase skills that are great for sticking to mobile enemies and punishing openings. Lava Myrdin. This is your Ground Surge gear. This focuses on heavy, earth or fire-style shockwave attacks that hit hard and help with stagger. Hexe Marie's Reward. This is your Crow Storm gear. After defeating Hexe Marie, you gain powerful area of effect witch-style attacks that shred groups of enemies. Cursed Knight's Reward. This gives you insight gear, adding extra utility and power scaling to your build when embedded. Do not worry about farming side content for these. Just keep pushing the main story and beating the required bosses. As you defeat them, make sure you actually claim and keep these weapons so you can break them down later at the Witch's Workshop. Part 6. How to play with the finished weapon. Once your sword is fully built and enhanced, you will notice that no matter which skill key you press during combat, you are triggering some powerful ability. Wind slashes, crow pursuits, ground surges, storms, and more. Because all those powers are embedded into one weapon, your gameplay becomes very simple. Swap less, press more, and let the weapon carry a huge part of the damage for you. This makes beating upcoming bosses much easier. As you continue through the story, just keep upgrading the same weapon instead of constantly switching. The more you enhance it, the faster you burn through enemy health bars, which lets you progress through the chapters much more quickly. And that is how you turn Frozen Anguish into a true ultimate weapon by Chapter 8. Grab the sword early from the Spire of Frost, beat the main bosses to collect their legendary weapons, extract the best gears in the Witch's Workshop, and stack everything into one monster sword. If this guide helped you, let me know in the comments which ability combo is your favorite, and subscribe if you want more Crimson Desert builds and early power guides.